Welcome to another non-aesthetic hair video. Your girl got booked last minute to hit the stage at Revolt World, period. And I needed something quick, and I'm a psoriasis girly. Tap in. Y'all know how flaky we be. So I use Nizoral as a pre-poo to kind of get all that buildup off my scalp. I steamed and did everything I usually would if I was doing a silk press. And I will link all the products I use below. I'm just not going to go in, but it's giving silk press. You know, I need this to be flat because I want an effortless ponytail look. My favorite hot tools lately have been Eap Heat. They just get the job done. And Tyler's water has just been in my head. And the way the booty was looking in his suit, I'm just saying. Okay, I'm going to section my hair off because I am not using seamless clip-ins. So I do need a little bit more hair to cover my tracks. And I also have a bob, which makes this... It makes it a little bit of a task, but it's fine. We're going to loosely braid because we don't want to have all them crinkles. We just flat iron all this hair. And my Mielle jobs definitely help add moisture without weighing down my hair. Now, I use a rubber band because I'm going to be, you'll see later. These clip-ins are from Snob Mobb, and what I do is take the shortest length clip-ins and put those toward the base of my pony and just, you know, extend the pieces, extend the clip, okay? And it'll fall together, trust me. Just try not to overlap any of them on the sides. And I'm going to put that away. What I'm going to do is go back into that nostalgic ass spritz. Doesn't that smell like a childhood? And I'm going to use that spritz, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer. This one is from T3 Micro on Cool. And this is just going to give me a really soft look versus a really sculpted snatch look. And because we're not using seamless clip-ins, I don't need this ponytail to be super, super snatched because then you'll see all the lumps and lovely lady lumps. And that's not what we want. Now, your sis is a little edge challenged, okay? So I'm going to end up filling in my edges. I am dealing with so much breakage because of a previous color that I had. I just played myself and over-processed it. So we're jet black until we get back because y'all can't see the damage now. Y'all know this little trick from back in the day. We would heat up the track so that the glue is really tacky and it just helps with, you know, you having any potential damage. It's so easy to remove this way. Now, I got one little baby hair left, and again, back to being edge challenge. I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil in brown, and I'm going to fill in my hairline. You don't want to use black because it just doesn't look natural. We want people to think it's growing out of our scalp. So, again, if I didn't have to flat iron my hair, I could have done this in under 30 minutes. And it's just a really quick way to look put together. When I tell y'all I got so many compliments, it was given effortless. It was given I woke up like this. So, yeah. I hope this video was cute and quick. You do not have to use human hair clip-ins. Anything will work. You don't need the seamless clip-ins. Work with what you got. Look at how good just this was looking. Wearing a black designer, getting mic'd up for Revolt World because sis be out here working. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I did need a little touch up because the only thing with sculpted ponytails is if you sleep in it, you kind of lose all the hold. Okay, love you. Bye.